Hey folks, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to look at the Blackstone 1554 4-burner flat-top gas grill. It's a propane-fueled restaurant-grade professional 36-inch outdoor griddle station with a side shelf, seen here in black. And this griddle has over 6,700 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars. Very nice. It's also got the Amazon's Choice endorsement. And this item is 62.5 inches long by 22.5 inches deep by 36 inches tall and weighs 120 pounds. Solid. It's got easy assembly and a quick ignition button. There are 4 independently controlled burners with low to high temperature settings to provide versatile cooking options. 4 industrial strength caster wheels and 2 which are lockable. And stainless steel burners for long life. Thick rolled steel surface for excellent heat retention and distribution. So if you're not familiar with these types of griddles, you can cook tasty burgers, steaks, and other meats, but So if you're not familiar with these griddles, they're not just for breakfast food and stir fry. You can cook everything from steak to chicken and fish to vegetables, burgers, you name it. Now let me share with you a helpful review from a verified purchaser. This has been hands down my favorite purchase in a long time. The griddle is fantastic. I have seasoned it and used it 5 or 6 times since purchase and get nothing but rave reviews about how great the Mongolian barbecue is. I also purchased the folding shelves add-on, and I can't imagine how anyone can cook without them. They're needed to hold all the plates and fixings for the meal. Well, there you go. I personally love how versatile these are. You can do everything from breakfast to burgers and hot dogs to hibachi style or Mongolian barbecue style stuff, and anything in between. So if you're looking for a restaurant-grade professional outdoor griddle, pick up this Blackstone through Amazon Prime for free shipping and free delivery. I think you're going to love it.